Association of Tutorial School Operators in Nigeria, ATSO Nigeria, is saying no to admission racketeering. They are saying they want to protect the interests of Nigerian students. They want to promote integrity 100%, and they want to support government efforts in cleaning up the education sector. Number 2, ATSO Nigeria is trying to be accountable. Accountability is their watchword. ATSO Nigeria does not support admission racketeering, examination malpractices, or educational fraud. ATSO Nigeria says helping students is different from deceiving students. Admission into university must follow lawful procedures. That is the stand of ATSO. Pay attention. Let's continue. The false promise. ATSO Nigerian is against false promises. I can secure admission for you into any university in Nigeria. Just pay the required amount. In fact, for ATSO Nigerian, this is a forceful statement made by some illegal centers. Any university the client asks, he say yes, 100%. Whenever somebody is telling you 100% is going to help you with admission without you meriting that school requirement, then you know that person is not an ATSO member. Don't be too eager to make this kind of statement. I am ready to pay anything. I only need admission. If you need admission, enroll in any of ATSO accredited tutorial center in Nigeria. Wherever you are, we have ATSO Nigerian everywhere. ATSO recognized tutorial centers. Many desperate students fall victims to admission scammers who promise guaranteed admission through illegal means. Take note of this. ATSO task force are already on the lookout. Another point I want you to take note is partnership for a better education. ATSO Nigeria is working assiduously to partner with the government. Be reminded that ATSO task force are now on their tools to ensure they clamp down on any illegal tutorial centers in Nigeria who perpetuate this heinous crime. Following credible reports, ATSO Nigerian Task Force unit can make an arrest of any acclaimed tutorial owner who seek admission racketeering and use any fraudulent means to collect money from students who are desperate to gain admission. You need to succeed through hard work, not shortcuts. So ATSO says reject admission fraud. ATSO say reject examination malpractice. ATSO say report illegal activities of any self-acclaimed tutorial owner who will defraud you of your hard-earned money. ATSO say promote merit and excellence. Together, we can build a credible and transparent education system. That is the statement from ATSO National President Prince Idowu Adewale. Thank you.